Are you thinking of selling? Here are my top 5 tips on how to make your home stand out online. Hi there, Ana Ramos with JP & Associate Realtors here. Despite everything going on, the real estate market is highly sought after thanks to inventory levels, historically low rates, and pent-up buyer demand. And with many buyers searching virtually, making sure your home stands out online is more important than ever. Here are my top 5 tips on how to make your home stand out online to do just that. Tip number 1. Stage your home where it counts. Focus your efforts on the rooms that matter the most to buyers. These rooms are the living room, the master bedroom, and the kitchen. Tip number 2. Get rid of clutter. Clutter takes up space, and space is what sells. Make your home look bigger and more desirable by editing down to just the basics. Tip number 3. Go neutral. Bright colors on walls help people express their personality in their home, but they can be a major turnoff for buyers. One of the best things you can do is to give buyers a neutral palette by painting in gray, white, or beige tones. This tip is a bit more time and cost-consuming, but can make a significant difference when it comes to your sales price and time on the market. Tip number 4. Give your landscaping a facelift. The front of your home is one of the first photos buyers will see online. Some fresh mulch, seasonal flowers, and a clean decorated porch can do wonders in creating a strong and positive first impression, increasing your chances of longer engagement in your property details. Last but not least, tip number 5. Price it right. Without question, price is the most important sales tool in real estate. If your house is priced right from the beginning, you are in the best position to attract the maximum number of buyers, and in some cases, multiple offers. Our team is working hard to help families make essential moves, all while staying as safe as possible. In efforts to provide you with the best technology, we have added a new valuation tool that, on top of providing you a current market value of your property, keeps you posted with monthly area stats and updates about real-time potential activity and buyers. Pretty cool. Click on the link for a free report or give me a shout to set up a consultation. Stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, just do good, it's free. See you next time.